In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wix website more responsive. If you've ever struggled with making your site look good on all devices, this guide will help. We'll walk through the steps you need to ensure your Wix website adapts well from desktops to mobile phones. Let's dive right in. Begin by using strips and containers as you build your pages. These tools are crucial because they automatically adjust to the screen size. When you stretch strips to fit the screen width, it creates a seamless experience for visitors viewing your site on different devices. By making use of these elements, you lay a strong foundation for a responsive layout that enhances user experience. Next, avoid the temptation of free dragging elements across your page. Although it might seem like a creative option, it often leads to layout issues as your site attempts to adjust across various devices. Instead, stick with strips, containers, and other tools in Wix that are embedded with responsiveness. This strategy ensures consistency and helps maintain the intended look of your site. Now let's talk about the mobile view. It's crucial to switch to the mobile editor within Wix to manually adjust the layout. This allows you to see how the site appears on smaller screens and gives you the chance to hide any sections that don't quite work on mobile. Tailoring your mobile view is key as more users are browsing on phones than ever before. Images can significantly impact your website's performance, so make sure you optimize them. Compress images to reduce file size, which in turn helps your pages load faster. Wix takes care of many images by compressing them into efficient formats like WebP. Nonetheless, always double check to ensure your images are optimized for the best performance. Adjusting text and buttons is another important step. On mobile, you'll want to increase the font size for better readability. Additionally, make sure your buttons are large enough to be easily tapped by users. This not only improves usability, but also enhances the overall user experience on your site. Throughout your site, check for overlapping elements. This can occur on both desktop and mobile views. Therefore, take the time to resize or reposition these elements to maintain a clean and professional appearance. Overlapping can confuse visitors and detract from your message, so pay careful attention here. Finally, ensure your website's navigation is mobile-friendly by creating a collapsible or hamburger menu. This design is ideal for mobile devices where space is limited, yet it allows easy access to all your site's pages. With a slick and functional mobile menu, visitors can navigate your site with ease. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a beautiful, responsive Wix website that looks fantastic on any device. Thank you for watching, and happy website building!